Laying the foundation, Alfa Romeo was founded in 1910 in Milan, Italy by entrepreneur Nicola Romeo, originally named A.L.F.A, Anonima Lombarda Fabbrica Automobili. The company started out manufacturing French cars before shifting to its own luxury vehicles in 1915. Pre-war era. In the pre-war era, Alfa Romeo gained repute for fast, elite sports cars driven by European aristocracy. Legendary pre-war models include the 8C-300, which won the Mille Miglia endurance race from 1931 to 1933. Post-war era. Post-war, Alfa Romeo transitioned to mass production of more affordable models while still maintaining their racing heritage. Stylish road cars like the Giulietta Spider and sporty coupes such as the iconic 1960s Giulia coupe combined everyday usability with performance and handling. Merger. By the late 20th century, Alfa Romeo faced struggles to increase its number of sales and was eventually purchased by Italy's Fiat Group as part of Fiat Chrysler Automobiles. Alfa Romeo has rebounded with contemporary models like the Giulia Sport sedan and Stelvio SUV. Current status. Today, Alfa Romeo produces vehicles at 2 Italian factories and employs nearly 3,000 workers. In 2021, Alfa Romeo sold just under 40,000 vehicles globally. As of 2022, estimated annual revenues for Alfa Romeo are around 1.5 billion euros, representing a minor share of parent company Stellantis' overall business.